So I need to integrate this sin 7x into cos 5x over the interval 0 to pi over 2. So when I look at this integral, I see that the derivative of sin of x is cos of x. So I need to rearrange this integral in such a way that I left with sin x and the other variables should be simply cos of x. So simply I have very nice half angle identity, that is cos square x equal 1 over 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. Now this cos square x and I have cos 5x here. Now I will take the square of this. I will get cos 4x equal 1 over 2 square into 1 plus cos 2x square. Now same, I have to use the same formula for this sin 7x, and I know that sin square x equal 1 over 2 1 minus cos 2x. When I cube this, as I have sin 7x, I will get sin 6x. So sin 6x equal 1 over 2 cube into 1 minus cos 2x whole cube. Now this is really simple. What you need to do, you need to just plug in the values of this cos square x and sin square x, sin 6x, cos 4x. Now after plugging the values, I am getting 1 over 2 to power 6 into 0 from the interval 0 to pi over 2 1 minus cos 2x cube into 1 plus cos 2x and sin 2x dx. Now see that where this sin 2x dx come from. We have a very nice integral, we have a very nice identity, that is sin x into cos x, this equal 1 over 2 into sin 2x. So you can see that 1 over 2 to power 2 plus 1 over 2 to power 3, that is 1 over 2 to power 5 into 1 over 2, that is 1 over 2 to power 6. So there this is 1 over 2 to power 6, and just I have substituted the values of sin square x, sin 6x simply, and cos square x, cos 4x, the half angle identities, and sin x into cos x. Now this is really simple. Now we have to use the substitution method. What you need to do, you need to substitute u is equal to cos 2x. Now if I take the derivative of this cos 2x, what I am getting? I am getting minus 2 sin 2x dx. So if I rearrange this, I am getting sin 2x dx equal minus du over 2. So simply you can see that this sin 2x into dx is simply equal to minus du over 2. I need to just substitute the value of sin 2x into dx here. Now remember one thing, if I am substituting the value u is equal to cos 2x, then the upper limit and this lower limit and upper limit both will change. To find the upper limit and lower limit as x approaches to 0, u will be 1. Plug in the value of x as 0 here, so cos of 0 simply equal 1. So u is equal to 1. As x approaches pi over 2, what I am getting? My u approaches to minus 1. Now plug in the value pi over 2 here, you will get cos pi after plugging the value of x pi over 2. So cos pi is equal to minus 1. That means my u is approaching to minus 1. So now just you need to plug in the values again, and I am getting minus 1 over 2 to power 7 integral over the limit 1 to minus 1, that is my lower limit and that is my upper limit, and just plug in the values 1 minus u cube 1 minus u whole cube into 1 plus u whole square into du. So this is really simple. Now I can't simply use the formula to integrate this directly. So I need to expand by using formula a minus b whole key cube and a plus b whole key square. Now if you expand this by using different formulas that I just mentioned, that is a minus b whole key cube and a plus b whole square, so you will get minus 1 divided by 2 key power 7 integral over 1 over 1 to minus 1, and you are getting this 1 minus u minus 2u square plus 2u cube plus u key power 4 plus u key power 5 into du. Now I am pretty happy with this polynomial that I can easily integrate. So whenever you integrate this, you are getting you will get simply u minus u square over 2 minus 2u cube over 3 plus 2 q4 over 4 and plus u5 over 5 plus u6 over 6 over the interval this. Now just simply you need to plug the upper bound and lower bound, that is simply this. So u minus u2 over 2 minus 2u cube over 3 plus 2u4 over 4 plus u5 over 5 plus u6 over 6 over the limit 1 to minus 1. Now this is really simple, just that is simply upper limit minus lower limit, just plug in the values of u as minus 1, then minus it from plug in the values of u as 1, and you will be getting 1 divided by 1 over 20, that is simply, if you convert this into decimal point, you will get 0.00833. This is how you solve such embarrassing integral that I said, that is of sin 7x into cos 5x. So thank you so much for watching out this video.